On the other hand, median is the value, quantity, or a number that lies at the midpoint of the given values. If the given values is odd in nature, then the middle value is the median. But if the given values is even in nature, then take the average of the two middle numbers. As you can see from the distribution given to us, it is odd in nature. So what we'll do here is to choose the middle number in the distribution. As you can see, 4 here now is at the middle of 2, 6, and the 2, 8. To find out the answer, making use of the median function here, so we'll go to our desired cell and type equal to median. Then we'll open up our bracket, C2, then we put our colon, C6, then close your bracket and press enter. As you can see now, 4 is at the middle of 2, 6 and the 2, 8, and that is how to get the median. Similarly, if the distribution of ages given to us is even in nature, say we add another list, 2 here, 6 here, and the 2 here. So from the list of the ages, you can see that 4 and 2 is at the middle of 2, 6, and the 2, 8. So what we now do is to take the average of 4 and 2. So to find out the answer, we'll go to our desired cell, then we'll type equal to median. Then we'll open up our bracket, we'll enter the initial cell, which is C2, then put our colon, then C7, because the list has been extended to C7. Then you close your bracket and press enter. So as you can see, if you sum 4 and 2, the result is 6, and if you divide it by 2, the result will be 3. And that is how to get the median in Microsoft Excel.